Hey, how's everyone doing? Good. Those who are in the back, feel free to come to the front. So far away. There's a few seats here. You guys want to come up front? It's like a few empty seats here. You guys are fine, the ones behind you. Right in the back. Even here, we have a few seats, so if you guys want to come up front. You guys were in the front in the beginning, and now you've moved to the back. Okay. All right. As long as you're listening, it's good. Okay, so let's look at lecture 8. So for logistics, the mini project part 2. What's going on? Okay. Okay, it's charged. Oh, maybe that's why. Yeah, that's probably why. Okay, so the mini project part 2 is released today, and it's due 2 Fridays from. No, that's not this Friday. The next Friday, following Friday. And paper presentation, I think Arnav put out a note on Discord. Like he said, please stick to the schedule. If you need to make a change, notify us, because if the slot is not available, you may have to take the slot you signed up for. So we'll have to just check that the slot is available, notify us, and then only make a change, so that we can stick to the schedule. Otherwise, a lot of classes get crowded out, so we don't want that to happen. Okay, so last lecture we looked at multi-head attention. So today's lecture will continue with multi-head attention. It's good to make sure we understand this component well. Yeah, question?
Just a question from last lecture. So will the mini project 1 be solo or?
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good one. So mini project 1, we'll have it be solo. Mini project 2 and 3 will be groups of 2. Okay. So you can pick a group for mini project 2 and 3. So today's lecture, we'll look at multi-head attention. We'll just make sure that we get the math behind it right, we get the details right, because once you're able to work out one layer of a transformer like BERT, you can work it out for any other transformer or any other architecture you might come across, from decoder models to the latest models that are coming out. So that's why this is kind of like important, is the deep dive into understanding the mechanics of the architecture and one layer of it, right? So we'll also look at feed forward, and we'll look at some training objectives for BERT, and we'll also look at sentence BERT, and then we'll go to paper presentations. Okay. So last lecture we were looking at taking a single layer and then seeing how the input actually transforms through it. So let me go to a different setup here. Okay, so I just put out this schematic for understanding how going through a single layer, how do the tokens get transformed. So let's look at this example. Is this clear? Is the lighting okay, or is it a little bit dim? It's a little bit dim. It's washed off for some reason. I think it's the lighting. It's